Getting one value from a tuple. Is there a way to get one value from a tuple in Python using expressions? I know I can do this. But that would add a few dozen lines to my function, doubling its length.
You can write. Tuples can be indexed just like lists. The main difference between tuples and lists is that tuples are immutable. You can set the elements of a tuple to different values, or add or remove elements like you can from a list. But other than that, in most situations, they work pretty much the same.
For anyone in the future looking for an answer, I would like to give a much clearer answer to the question. Hope this clears things up further for those that need it.
General. Single elements of a tuple can be accessed in an indexed array-like fashion via A0, A1 depending on the number of elements in the tuple. Example. If your tuple is A is equal to 3, A0 yields 3, A1 yields A. Concrete answer to question. Tup returns a 2 tuple. In order to solve, you select the 3 by. So altogether. Alternatives. Go with name tuple that allows you to access tuple elements by name and by index. Details are at this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.